Not all collagen products are created equal. As a nutritionist, one reason I choose Progressive is because of the quality and the thinking that goes into the product's comprehensiveness and formulation. Progressive goes the extra mile to ensure you get the most out of your collagen needs. For example, Progressive Complete Collagen is only sourced from grass-fed cattle, pasture-raised without antibiotics or added hormones. It's been hydrolyzed for the ease of absorption and mixing while allowing your body to use it and get the benefits right away. Collagen on its own does not make a complete protein because it's missing one essential amino acid, tryptophan. Expert formulators have added tryptophan to complete the amino acid profile in Complete Collagen to make it complete at 10 grams of protein per scoop. And to round out the formula, vitamin C has been added, a key vitamin that is essential in the synthesis of collagen, making it even more comprehensive. Plus silica for added skin benefits, and papaya and pineapple for antioxidant support. This non-GMO, gluten-free formula supports all of your collagen needs, from type 1 for bones and type 3 for healing, assisting connective tissue and formation, and supporting lean muscle building with regular exercise. You can experience optimal health with Progressive Complete Collagen. Like the name says, it's a complete protein source containing all of the essential amino acids. Whatever your collagen needs and goals may be, Progressive Complete Collagen gives you that support in an easy-to-use powder that can be mixed into your favorite hot or cold beverage or adding it to your morning smoothie. Progressive makes it easy for you to unlock your next level of wellness by adding Complete Collagen to your wellness regime today.